Alrighty, Jet Blast 2025 Super Chicken for the raffle. Finally got it in the water today. It's a gorgeous windy day out here in Waterford, Wisconsin on the Fox River, and managed to burn 3/4 of a tank. Got to try out the new PVC stand that I built for Kevin. Works beautifully, and yeah, it's a ripper. Really didn't have to do hardly anything besides turn the screws a little bit. I'm gonna scope it when I get back, check the plugs, but overall pump works fantastic. The power is great. The seat is super comfy. It gleams in the sun like you wouldn't believe. Got a lot of thumbs up today. Pump just digs in and goes. I mean, it runs like you, what? Oh my God. Oh my God. The hell are you what? Oh my God, I gotta get fucking, what the hell is even the, what the fuck? Jesus Christ. I was about to take it back over to the boat launch and get it back to my... Where the hell's he going? Freaking Sam Squanch stole the fucking Super Chicken. Well, that sucks. Where's he? Does he even know? I mean... Oh well. Well, at least this river system goes north. So if he keeps going that way, he's got to end up in the Dells eventually. What the hell's he? Damn it. Yeah, I think he's gone. I don't think he's bringing it back. I don't think he's bringing it back. Okay, well, we'll see him in the Dells. And then Saturday, May 31st, somebody else gets to take it home with them. See you guys at Jet Blast.